Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to fillet weld. As example, you can go to assembly and in there we insert for default parts. So I will use this simple part, and then you can use constraint tools to connect between these two parts. You can click here. So I will click at this point into here. Click OK. Now if you want to create fillet weld in these two objects, you can go to environment, click on convert to weldment, click yes. I will use this default for the standard settings, material and structure. Click OK. After it, click on the weld tools, and in here you can click in fillet. Will be show for fillet weld dialog box, and then for bit phase 1 you can select at this object, and for the second we select this object. After it, for contour I will use this tool, convex, and then for leg we set leg into 1, and for offset we can set into 0,05. to be shown in the drawing area. This is for the weld fillet. We also can set for this option or this option. To increase the offset, you can click here like 0,07, or you can set for length into 2 or bigger, or 0,8. After it, you can click OK. So it will be automatically create for weld fillet. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to create fillet weld. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.